To allow or disallow your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra to receive wireless emergency alert for extreme threats, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find safety and emergency. Tap safety and emergency. Tap wireless emergency alert. Next, tap the on-off switch next to extreme threat to enable or disable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that the wireless emergency alert for extreme threat is enabled, and your phone will notify you when there's an extreme threat to life and property through wireless emergency alert. Given to the function, it's best to set this option on, since this feature can provide you immediate and life-saving information when there's an extreme threat to life and property in your surrounding, so you can do the required action as quick as possible. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.